Dear students, today we are going to study the chapter number 15, punctuation. Punctuation. What are punctuations? You can say punctuations actually are the rules which we have to follow when we frame a sentence or write a sentence. Let's see some rules of punctuation. We write sentences in this way. I told you that punctuations are rules which we have to follow. See here, there are many books in the library. So first letter of a sentence always start with a capital letter. Here written, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Here T and W. It is the first letter in the sentence. Next is, you can see full stop and question mark. Every sentence ends with an end mark. When we end a sentence, we have to put full stop or question mark as per the sentence. This mark can be a full stop or a question mark. Next rule is, this is the rule number 1. First is cap. Now, what we have to decide is which word should be written in capital and which word should not be written in capital, when we have to use the capital letter, when we don't have to use the capital letter. These are some points. First, we use a capital letter with pronoun I, proper naming words, titles for people, names of days and months, festival and events, the first word in a sentence. See, examples are also given here. Pronoun I means when we used I for ourselves, हम अपने लिए जब कोई word use करते हैं, then we use I. For example, we don't say, for example, if someone is there whose name is Ram, then Ram will not say that Ram is doing the work. Ram will say, I am doing the work. So, we use I to replace the name. That is why it is called pronoun. So, if I is alone, we are going to use it as a capital letter. Then the next I explained is proper naming words. Means if it is a special name, particular name, then it will start with a capital letter. For example, here you can see Tina, T capital, Bruno, B capital, Agra, A capital. Next is title for peoples, Mr., Mrs. and Miss. Okay, then Mr. M is capital, Mrs. M is capital, Miss M is capital. Then name of the days and months, Monday, January. Okay, Monday M not should be small, it will be it should be capital. Monday M capital, January J capital. Then festival and events, Diwali, Teachers Day. You can see the first letter in Diwali, Teachers Day is capital. Then the first word in a sentence. Our uniform is white and grey. What is the first word? R. And what is the first letter in R? It is O. So, O should be capital. Now, the next rule is full stop. We use a full stop at the end of sentence. For example, Deepa takes care of her pet. Again, I am repeating. A sentence always start with a capital letter and end with a full stop or question mark. If it is a simple sentence or simple statement, it will end with the full stop. Next is question mark. We use question mark at the end of a question. Means if we are asking question, then we have to use question mark to end the sentence. Where are you going? See, where the first letter is capital and it is ending with the question mark. So please remember that we use full stop when it is a simple statement. We use question mark when we ask question. So this is the explanation of chapter number 15, punctuation. So everyone, dear students, you have to read the chapter and revise the chapter well. Thank you.